subnet settings.
I
Modify
think
auto
it's in
SN
edit
IP
subnet
address.
settings, sir. Edit subnet settings. We have done that, I think.
Wait guys, 1 minute. Subnets. You have to select this. CLDR ASL sharing actions. Edit subnet settings. So actually it is got updated earlier. Share subnet manage tags. Modify auto SN IP settings will be there actually. Modify auto SN IP. This is only we can edit the IP addresses, but we have to enable. Yes, see guys, enable public IP address,
Yes, sir.
right? So we have to enable it and we have to save it. That's it. 1 minute. Okay, that's it. Save. Okay, so now we have enabled. Okay, public. Yeah, this one. The next. Then after, yeah, we need to provide internet, guys. So if you need to provide internet to the subnets, if you want to make it as a public subnet, we have to provide internet gateway, right? So we will attach VPC, the same internet gateway we need to attach to the uh, internet gateway. So first of all, after this we have to go, next step should be internet gateway. So we have to enable the internet gateway, right? So for internet gateway, so we have to create, what is this, when I have to create this, see whatever when after you completion of the practice you have to delete guys, otherwise it will be stored like this itself. So anyways, I'll keep like that only, we'll check later. So I will keep here my IGW internet gateway. Okay, maybe today date 13/6 I will keep, because there are other already other default one and other one is there, no? That is the reason. So I'm going to keep the date, today's date. Okay, so create internet gateway, guys. So after creating internet gateway, so what we have to do, we have to attach.
Attach the subnets.
Yes, attach to the VPC. So you have to go to the attach to VPC. Okay, the same already whatever created, that will be shown here and attached to the internet gateway. Okay, so next, so we need to have a one route table. So then we have to connect internet gateway, right? So route table yesterday I have already
Yes, sir.
explained you, right? So this one, route table. Okay, route table will distribute the IP address to the this one, whatever. Okay, so again we have to go route tables. So we have to create the route table. We have to give one name, route table name. It should be valid name. Okay, route table name should be my RT. I can give RT 1306. Okay, and VPC what VPC I have to select here, guys? Tell me.
My VPC, sir.
This one. See,
First
guys,
one, yeah.
we are as an organization, we do have a multiple VPs, multiple in the sense more than hundreds, thousands. So out of which we could not able to select, because we are doing practice here. We can only, as we are doing practice here, we can able to select only one or two. We can able to easily identify the VPSs. But in real time scenarios, we do have thousands of VPS and hundreds of VPS. Out of which, if you want to clearly identify what VPC is related to your project, then you have to keep a proper name tags. Okay, you have to keep proper names. That's it. Okay, you have to give your VPC and create route table. Okay, guys, it's got created. That sounds good. And see here again, guys, internet gateway already created, right? After creating internet gateway, what we have done is route table we have created. Okay, this one we have created now. So route table already it got created. This is it is there, but we have to attach to the subnet, right? If you want to attach to the subnet, again you have to here you have to attach. Okay, route tables subnet association. See, okay, edit, select route table. Where is route tables? Where is our today's 3613? This one, right? Okay, select route table. Next to subnet association, this one, and after that, so edit this one here, edit subnet association, and after that, what is this related to us? Which one is related to us? This one, right, guys? Here you will
Sir,
get
web
confusion.
subnet.
Here you will get confusion again. See here. So we have already before earlier we have created two subnets, out of which what we have to select, it is this route table we are creating for web server, right? So that is the reason, so we have to select this. Okay, and save to associate. It got saved, right? So now we need to, again I will show you here. See, this one already got created, right? This attachment is done, and another attachment should be given to this. Okay, what attachment? Route table to internet gateway. Okay, so now again we have to go route tables. Okay, so subnet routes, we have to go routes. Next, after edit routes. Okay, see guys, see, this is default one. Do not change anything here. Add rule. So here you have to mention what we are attaching here, guys. Tell me.
Internet gateway.
Internet
Yes,
gateway,
internet
sir.
gateway, right? So that is the reason we have to select internet gateway. And here internet gateway in the sense what? Tell me, guys. What is internet gateway? Here you see, guys, internet gateway, we are allowing all access, all public internet. So this is for private, this is for public. We have to open port for all, right? So that is the reason we have to enable here all traffic. This is all traffic. Blindly you can mention, if you want to allow everybody, so then you can mention all traffic. Got it? So here you can save. Why it is this? Yes, my internet gateway, right? Internet gateway, today's date, right? 1306.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So save. Got created. Oh, sorry. This one. Right? So now already got created this, right? So now you can consider public subnet and another one is private subnet. This is, we have enabled public. This is not done yet actually. This is, we are isolated, we kept aside. So this is public subnet, this is private subnet. Okay, next, 1 minute. Yeah, so this one till now I hope you got created. I hope you understood, right? This one we got created, this one created, this one created, my VPC created, and route table created, internet gateway created, and subnets we have given, right? So next what we have to do is, so here this one and this one we have to launch. Okay, we have to launch web server, we have to launch DB. So what we have to do is, guys, tell me.
EC2, sir.
Yes, good catch. Okay, so now I have to launch instance. Okay, for this what I have to keep the name, tell me.
Web server, sir. Web
Yes,
server.
web server. Okay, web server. Next, I will take Amazon Linux, no problem. Anything, it's our wish. So this is a free tier. Okay, and so we have to create the key pair. Okay, create key pair. Guys, do you know this, guys? If you change this PPK, so we can't access to
Yes, sir.
other thing. What is PPK?
Private key, sir.
PPK is used for putty related, sir, for login.
This is private putty key.
Private key. Private putty key, yes, sir.
Putty is there. Putty jana is there, na? So for
Yes, sir,
that,
we
for
use.
if you use putty, if you are habituated, you already having a putty setup, so then you can take this putty. Then after you have to convert PPK to PEM. There, so PPK putty gen will be there. So that is different scenario. So now directly I am taking PEM file because I need to use this. My system already got set up with this PEM, so that I have to use. So that is the reason I am taking .pem. Key got generated, it's downloaded. Okay, next, allow traffic because we are into public. Okay, next, these are all common. Advanced, guys, advanced, we have to select advanced. In this I'll keep some I'll keep some small shell script, guys. Okay, hash semicolon bin bash. Okay, so these are all just simply commands, guys, because we can't do big projects, right? If I want to show you, install. These are all packages, guys. Okay, yum install dy and cd var www. Okay, next html, next echo, okay, anything you can keep. Okay, index.html. Next. So this document I am preparing for you guys in future reference. Okay. This next cross check. You have to cross check again. Web server. This one. Okay. Okay.
So VPC you have to change it
Yeah, that's why.
Sir, VPC we have to change.
in this
Yes,
PD.
networking settings we have to do this. Yes, great catch. So my VPC. So we are under one VPC, right? If I select other VPC, it doesn't work. Okay. So it will generate the. So subnet also it is taken already. So VPC subnet also availability zone A, right? So we are under availability zone A. So public IP, see guys, whenever I selected this VPC, automatically enable public IP got enabled. Why? Because for this VPC earlier I have already enabled public IP, right? This public IP I have enabled. So whenever I got created this subnet and VPC itself, at that time only I have enabled this public IP address. Okay, so that's the reason whenever I given this automatically it enable. For example, if I choose this, okay, it is disabled. You can see this. See this?
Yes, sir.
Disable. So for this VPC and this subnet, this public IP got enabled. That's what. Okay, that's it, guys. I
Sir,
hope everything got clear.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, if not, we can enable here also, right, sir?
We can do it later, but I'm telling
Yeah.
that already I have enabled. That is the reason automatically it is taken enable.
Okay, sir.
Again, you have to go long here and there. So instead of doing there, instead of checking later, so it is easy to enable step-by-step process if you do follow. Okay. If you want to create, you can also create a subnet. Maybe already we got created subnet. That's the reason it's came, right? We got. So if you don't have any subnets, you can create itself here. No problem. That option given by AWS. AWS have a lot of features. Okay. Right. Yeah. Next step. And port should be open, right? Yesterday
Yes, sir, we have to
told
change
you-
security group, no, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming for that only. See guys, web server. So we have opened 2 ports yesterday. So I explained to you about port for all in the sense 0000/0 for all traffic. This is SSH. This is for me only. If I want to go and if I want to change the files, so if I want to do any changes, so this is for only if the person who is as administrator, if I want to change the files in the browser, so he can able to enter and he can change whatever he want to change. But this is for only access the web server. So this is enabled for all the traffic. This is for SSH key. Okay, whatever SSH key we have downloaded, right? By using that we can able to enter. So here SSH port already default it's got, okay, anywhere. SSH we should not give anywhere, we have to give SSH to TCP/22 and which my IP, okay. This is my IP, default it is taking, guys, see, this is my IP. So this IP is taken, my IP, because I only enter, other people do not enter by using SSH, correct. So next what I have to do is here all traffic, right, see, HTTP port, all traffic, anywhere, already it is there, okay. See guys, already it is there, so anybody can enter by using this, okay, it's already there, no problem. So that's it, no need to change anything again and again. So that is DNS and all this all comes to network. If it is the specific only, you have to touch it, otherwise don't touch, okay. Right, launch instance. Yes, it's got created, view all instances. Now see this, the status, it's pending. Again what we have to do is, next for this one we have done, right, instance we have already installed. This next what we have to do, we have to launch DB, MySQL DB, right. So for that again I have to launch instance, okay. What is the name for this? MySQL DB, okay. Here I am taking Linux, okay. Nothing, should not change anything. Yes guys, I will tell you one more thing. This is actually, I told you earlier, this is private one, right. So public do not enter, I only want to enter in this. So for that what we have to do, so we have to keep only private, this one, right. So if I reiterate this one route table, this is all done, and web server also got created, and now we have to install DB, right. So now we have to install DB, so let's do. Okay, where is this one? Is okay, network settings, edit. See this guys, earlier what VPC we have created, this sorry, we have selected this VPC, right.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So under same website VPC we have to select, but availability and subnet should be changed. Why? Because
Sir,
we are going to take,
DB subnet.
yes, which one here, this one, right,
This one only. This one.
here,
DB
this one.
subnet.
Yeah, website,
No, sir. Down. Second one, sir. In the option.
this one, right,
Yeah, yeah.
10 dot,
Yes, sir.
that is the reason, the name definitely it will confuse us.
Okay.
That's the reason we have to be very careful while we are giving names. So this is what we have to select, okay. See this guys, this is disable, right.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to subnet to be, should be, what is the subnet, 10.0.2.0, okay, that's fine, okay. So now security groups, what is the security group we have to enable? That should be,
SSH.
no, actually so as I told you yesterday, so this DB should not be access public, okay, but admin can access. But if you want to see whatever the content is there in website, that you have to see that reference can be, this should be communicate each other, right? Okay, this
Yes,
content
sir.
should be,
Yes, sir.
if you want to see the content, if you have to see in this web browser. So the backend, whatever the backend database is there, this is front end, this is backend database. If you want to see, there should be communication. So that is the reason you have to open the port. Okay, so this port, you have to open the port, this port to entire subnet. Got it? So what is the subnet? So that is the reason. 1 minute, I'll open this MySQL. Okay, MySQL. Where is MySQL here? I think this one only, MySQL. Aurora something is added. It's okay. So this is MySQL. TCP, it is taken automatically. So this custom, guys, this should be custom, because I have to mention here. See, again I'll tell you. So I'm going to open this port for this, right? So that is the reason we have to mention subnet there. So here you have to mention 10.0 0.1.0. Guys, again I'll show you. If you get confusion, let me know. So we are attaching this DB to this one. So I'm opening DB's port, HTTP port. Okay, DB's port to MySQL port. I'm opening MySQL port to this web server if I want to connect each other. So that is the reason I have to mention this IP address. Okay, I am enabling it, then only it will be accessible, right? So that is the reason I have to mention where is the 10.0.1.0 slash, what is that, slash, I think 24, right? 24, I think it's came, huh? Right? This is fine, guys. You understood this, right? I'm opening all the traffic for this to this. I'm connecting this port. This, if I open this port, entire this thing should be able to access this database. So if you get any confusion, let me know, right? So that's it. So anything to be changed? No, that's it, guys. For this is isolated, no need to keep any public and all. So private, that should be only next time. I will open SSH also for me by using Bastion. So that is the reason I don't want to do any change. Okay, so now I will create launch instance. Oh sorry, actually I did not create a key pair, right? So that is the reason. See this, guys. So I have to create key pair. What is the key pair name? Key pair, create new key pair. The name should be,
Same we can use now, sir.
which one?
Same, sir. Like we created last.
Last we created, no sir, web server.
No,
Yes, sir.
I want to keep separately because I want to make a difference each other. That's the reason. So
Okay, sir.
because I don't want to club it. So I want to keep separate DB, separate key pair. So I will keep MySQL database key. pair not found it is showing. Okay. This one we have created today, right? One second. Why actually it is not creating? It should create, right? Okay, fine. We'll use this. But even though it is showing a proceed without key pair.
No, sir. Sir,
Huh?
you have to select this like previous step.
Previous? I didn't get
Sir,
you.
there. Here it is showing select, right, sir? You have to press there.
No,
Yeah,
no.
sir.
Actually,
Yeah.
I'm looking for creating new one. Why it is not showing?
Yeah,
That's
sir.
what.
Previous we can select here, sir.
I want to create separate key pairs. That's the reason. Why it is not showing? It's okay. Fine. I will use this. We'll see it later. Okay. Okay, one key pair. By using one key pair, we can able to access both, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's fine. Let's see. Okay. Okay. That's it, guys. This got created, and next one is I told you earlier. I mean last class. So Bastion we have to create. Okay. Bastion or jump server. It's clumsy everything. Jump or Bastion server. Okay. So for this actually we have to create another instance. Okay. So we have to create another instance for the Bastion, and for Bastion it should be containing public and private keys. Okay, guys. Okay. So now again
Yes, sir.
we have to create EC2 instance for the Bastion. Launch. Okay. Jump or Bastion server. Guys, actually assume there is a problem in my database. For example, why all these things, in the sense I already explained you yesterday. So I have actually issue with my database. So for example, in my database if there is a problem, so in case any problem, okay, because I as a admin I might get any work to go inside and database to change some files, or we have to delete some files, or I have to update, or else I have to install or I have to deploy something. So we have to come here, we have to come. So we have to come in the sense I should not go through this. So if I go through like this, everybody can go, right? Everybody can access my database. It doesn't allow. So we should not allow. We should not allow to others, those who are not related to our database related. So others should not. So there is some authorization. So for that we have to create some separate server to handle, especially to access our database, MySQL database. Okay, so Bastion server or Gem server, we can use this Gem or Bastion server, okay, for accessing the database only for admins, okay, those who are access admins, right? So for that purpose only this, okay. So now we have to launch the Bastion instance. As I told you yesterday, this Bastion is actually EC2 instance, okay. This is only EC2 instance, guys. The only thing that I'm opening my SSH port for one entry to database, that is only me. In the sense I have to keep private IP addresses. See guys, so here for public IP will be there, for this public will be there, private will be there. I will mention only private. Here also private IP address, right? For sorry guys, this one private IP address, whatever the private IP address is there, that IP I will mention here. So then what will happen is I will not open my public IP to anybody. So if somebody knows, only I can access. If somebody doesn't know, they can't access it. Definitely it would be secret, secure, very much secure and secret, right? So this public IP, private IP, I only know. So I will keep this public private IP there, right? So where is that? So launch Bastion and security group, keep here. See guys, here it is getting. What is the difference? I don't understand. See, I'll keep separate key database, right? This is different database. This is different instance. So I will keep Bastion or jump key, right? So I will download this. Next, where is security groups? This is the security group, guys. So in this security group we have to enable to the one person, not all. Here it is accessible to everybody. I should not allow to anybody. So this is my private. So I want to use this. So that is the reason I have to create, edit it. I will edit this, okay. VPC also we have to mention my VPC, okay. Where is the subnet? This one, right?
No, sir, it is web subnet.
No, sir, webnet, sir, webnet subnet only.
First one, sir.
No, database, this one,
We are,
right?
Yeah, sir,
yes, sir,
database.
database that one.
This is actual spelling also wrong.
Yeah.
This one I think so, right? So we have to disable also, that's fine. And
Sir, but we're creating a gem server in subnet web
In
server, no,
VPC.
sir.
First server you have, first subnet, sir. You are placing in private subnet, sir.
okay,
We are creating a gem server in the diagram in this web server subnet, no, sir. 10.0.1.
one second.
Public, no, sir. We have to place that in public.
So let me check
Subnet.
what actually. We should VPC, this VPC, and we should keep this public.
No, sir. Them server.
1 second. let's see, we can also change this. If something went wrong, we can also do change. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Instance Bastion server, and after that security group. Okay. Security groups. Yes. Okay.
So I think below we should add rules, sir. Below add security group rules.
Yes. One second. We are keeping the security group names default, right, for all.
Yes, sir. We have kept all default.
That is also we have to give. And earlier we did not give anything, right? Fine, that's it. Okay, now I have to select SSH, okay, TCP and 22. Okay, this is for me only. I don't want to open any other right. So right, I don't want to change anything. Let's close. Launch instance. What is this? Oh, sorry. My IP address that I have told you. My IP address. Okay. Launch instance. Okay. See this, guys, private, only accessible.
Yes, sir.
Private. So we have connected with this private. Okay, so we have mentioned private separately. So next 3 instances running. Okay, so all got created. So as I told you, so this one, sorry, this is DB, and we have opened MySQL database to this port. This port we have opened, right? Now it is done. Okay, so Bastion is completed. So okay, so 3 instances got ready. So now I'll check with Bastion. Where is Bastion? So this is a Bastion. I have to, is it not ready? No, it is not ready yet. Do you know this, guys?
Yes, sir. No Bastion.
Yeah.
Sir, we not created NAT gateway, sir.
We'll do this later.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, after this, after checking this, so let me check. I just want to check Bastion.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it is not yet ready, right? It's not yet ready. Okay. It got ready. Okay. No, it's not connected. Let's try again.
Sir, but we have not given any internet access to the subnet B, no, sir. To connect to the database, we have not given any internet access to the subnet B, that database server. We should give NAT gateway, I think, sir.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
Sir, but you are just logging to that instance, right, sir?
Yeah, correct, correct. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I'll try to connect through here. Let me check. Maybe sometimes it doesn't work. So that is the reason, right? So let's go Bastion. Who is joined? Ati bhai. Okay. Actions. Yes, got it.
Yeah.
Actually, security group we
Actually,
only.
my notice period already over last 7th last week or 7th was last day. I'm immediate joiner. Because of actually my project is gone to Cognizant CTS. Okay, so most of the project is gone, and there is no way, right? They don't have. There's some projects are there, but those projects not suitable for me. That's why I left. Model Tech. It is no. Currently, I don't have any offers. Tell me. Yeah. Some actually I'm attending, and some it is a pending with some HR discussions, and some pending with another rounds. Tell tell me, tell me. Can you speak loudly? I'm not able to. Your voice is not audible properly. Hello, your voice is not audible properly. Can you speak loudly, please? Yeah, it's okay, little bit okay. Can you come again, please? No. There is no pipeline in offers. Only HR discussions in pipeline. There is a two HR discussions on pipeline. I'm supposed to get one HR discussion today, and another one. They said the HR they told me that they're going to get called to me, but till now I didn't get anything. Yes, correct. Bangalore. No, actually, currently at my actually now in my hometown because currently I'm in hometown. AP, Andhra Pradesh. Tell me.
Hello, sir. Did you just create another instance?
సారు అయినా మీరు మీ పాలన 10 కాలాలు పచ్చగా చల్లగుండాలంటే మార్చవలసింది వాస్తు కాదు ఈ
1 minute, guys. మహారాష్ట్ర ఇట్స్ ఓకే, బట్ తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాం.
Hello.
యా లతీఫ్ భాయ్.
Hello.
యా లతీఫ్ భాయ్.
No, sir.
Unmute చేయాలా నేను?
యా ఇట్స్ ఓకే లతీఫ్ భాయ్, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
కాదు, నాది మీట్ ఉండిందా అన్మ్యూట్ ఉండిందా?
యా అన్మ్యూట్లో ఉంది.
అవునా, ఓకే.
It is also, my god, I have selected both, right?
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Should we create a Bastion server in the default VPC, sir?
Yes, I'm trying for that only. Earlier I have
Okay.
selected VPC. Now I'm trying
Okay,
from
sir.
outside, completely outside. Nothing. There is no any VPC not selected.
Okay, sir.
Just I'm trying with this. That's it.
Okay, okay, sir.
So after that I will attach VPC again. No problem. It's taking too much time. It doesn't take that much time. My internet got slow, I think. So, maybe these many instances running. That's why it just gets slow. Yeah. Yes, it's got connected, right? So, yeah. Okay. So Bastion is got connected, guys. Okay. So now, so how can I go inside DB server? So, so Bastion I have created separately. I did not create it inside. I have created separately. If I want, I will attach later. So okay, just I created and it's just kept aside. Okay, this is Bastion. I'll change name also. Okay, Bastion got created. Then next I'll go to DB. This one I want to check whether how can I if I want to access this DB, so what is the process. Let's see. So I'll open DB server with the SSH port. So where is the server? MySQL. Connect. See this? You may not be able to connect with this instance. Port number 22 need to be open or in order to accessible. This current associate security does not open port 22, but still we simply will try. Okay. So I'll open this port then. Where is that? Okay, instances, MySQL, security, inbound rules, outbound rules. So inbound rule security group. Okay, edit inbound rules. Okay. Guys, so we are connecting internal network infra communication. So copy the Bastion private IP is there na. So whatever Bastion private IP is, so we are connecting through so Bastion private IP address to database. So 1 second, where is Bastion? EC2 Bastion. Yeah. This is the Bastion private IP address, right? This one.
Yes, sir.
Copy and sorry, not this. Add rule. So here SSH. Where is SSH? Yeah, here SSH. See, you read right already in front of you people. I read actually. We have to open port number 22. So here I have to add Bastion private IP address. Okay. What is this 32? This is a IP VPC CADR range. So if you keep IP address, your own IP address, automatically CADR range should be mentioned. Without this it doesn't works. So what is this name I have to give? How? Okay, I will give it later. Okay, save the rules. Okay, it's saved. Next EC2 instance Bastion DB MySQL database, connect. Okay, so I will explain it later. First of all, I will check with this. See guys, so here it is not showing complete public internet. Without internet we can't connect. So that is the reason for database we have to mention NAT. Okay, but still we will try to connect once for checking purpose. Paste here, database. Where is database? Bastion. This.
Sir, we have used same web server only, sir. Web server key only we have used.
This one all right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't connect. Connected or not? See, not getting. So now I have to do, what we have to do is, now by Bastion I have to jump into DB server. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that I'm trying like that, but it's not connecting. So what I've tried is, by Bastion I can jump into DB server. By Bastion I see, where is that? See, by Bastion, by using this I've tried to access DB, but it doesn't allow. We have to check that. So this is not cakewalk, guys. Everything we have to check. If you miss a small thing also, you have to take lot of time. So where is DB MySQL DB server? This one. Connect. See, it is showing no public IP address. Okay, instance not in subnet. So this is showing like this. So that is the reason we could not able to connect. So for that, what we have to do is, no public IP, in the sense no internet, right? We don't have internet access. That is the reason we have to enable NAT. So I will reiterate once again. So 1 minute. So for example, so we have, my laptop is there. Okay, my laptop is there. So, and Bastion I have created, DB I have created. Okay, for example, if it is my laptop is there. This is out of network, right? So my laptop, in the sense mobile extreme, I am trying to connect with this mobile extreme for DB. Okay, first of all, if first I need to connect with this, then after this. Okay, these should be interconnected. So if I want to connect with this, okay, for this username will be there, key will be there. Okay, so first I have to connect with this, then after what it will be do, DB is already interconnected with this too, right? So that is the reason, what if I want to connect with a web server, I have to keep my laptop, that whatever what I can say, SSH key, that due to no SSH key, proper SSH key, we are unable to connect with this database. See guys, earlier Bastion got connected. Why? Because it is already interconnected with the internet, everything. That is the reason it is outside, so it's got connected, Bastion. But DB I completely kept in private. So if I want to access this, whatever database key is there na, that key I have to keep in my laptop. So let me try with this. Okay, so WinSCP is there na, for putty people. For putty you can use WinSCP. Okay, a database, where is this? Downloads, where is DB? This one, right? Bastion. బా క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా, క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా.
చెప్తున్నావు లైట్ ఎత్తుకునేదిరా
అది కనిపిస్తుందిగా. 1 second గైస్, క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా. 2 minutes అయిపోతుంది. అయిపోయింది సార్ బాయ్. ఏంటిది ఉన్నట్టు బయట ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్. ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ అంటే క్లౌడ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్.
మీకు వచ్చారా బాగానే అనుకున్నా.
డేటాబేస్ మాట్లాడబా.
సరే
So MySQL database, I'm trying to connect again. This is the problem. SSH client, open SSH. For this also I will open this database, security key, inbound rules, inbound rules. This is port already open guys. Again SSH.
Yeah, you people are doing natting this one, natting or what?
No, no Latiba. Actually, I'm trying to connect with this database. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Connect. Status not. Yeah. Okay. SSH client. I'm trying to connect with this database actually. Latiba, are you there? Yes, 100% if it is there, terminal. So this key should be keep here, guys. By using WinSAP, we can keep for putty. For here, we have to keep our keys. So we have to drag and drop directly. We have to keep here keys. Okay, it is not allowing. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll take NAT. Okay. Yes, we'll create NAT gateway first, and after that we'll check. Create NAT gateway. The name should be myNAT. Okay. Next to public subnet. What is subnet?
Second one, sir.
Which one?
Second.
Web subnet, sir.
This one. This one
That,
actually.
yeah, that.
Yeah, fine. See, guys, yesterday I have told you about elastic IP, right? So this elastic IP we have to keep. Why? Because so here 1 minute, it is white color background. Okay, so if you open elastic IP address, so this is I'll take this yellow color. This is NAT. It does have public IP and also private IP. Okay, for public IP address, in the sense it should have internet access. So that is the reason we have to keep public and private IP address. It is not a NAT is not a EC2 instance. NAT is a service which is provided by AWS. So what we have to is we have to keep public IP address, but the thing is this: if you keep public IP address, what will happen is, if in case in future some automatically if there is an internet disconnection issue, what will happen is this IP address also will be changed. Okay, if it changes, what will happen? It is already connected with this, then here it will be break, the connection will be break. So that is the reason, to avoid such kind of issues, we have to keep elastic IP address for this. Okay, this is billable, but free tier it is not that much billable, but so until we practice we can use this also. Okay, so private IP address we have to keep. Private IP and elastic IP. Okay, first we have to enable elastic IP address for this. Allocate. Automatically it is taken. See this, guys, automatically EIP allocate. Okay, next automatically this name, nothing else, just one single click. AWS will take care entire NAT services for providing internet access, for providing IP addresses and all. Everything will be taken care by AWS only to keep stable internet to this. So we have to use NAT. So NAT will be taken care by AWS itself. No problem at all. Don't worry about this. Okay. Dedicated elastic IP address we have provided for this. So which one? For NAT. Okay. NAT should not change. NAT IP address should not change, because if it is changes when we are accessing DB, or if any internet disconnection issue, and DB won't get any control by us, right? So that we are taking EIP, elastic IP addresses. Okay, this is for free tier, but it is somewhat billable if you keep like this. So whenever you, after completion of the practice, you can delete the NAT. Okay, deletion steps also I'll tell. So let's start. Okay, this one already we got created. See, for this also, guys, if I want to keep whenever IP addresses comes, okay, internet comes, a route table will become. Okay, a route table we have to create for this. And here also, after creating route table, we have to attach. Okay, here also for NAT also we have to attach to this route table. So one by one we will do. Okay, so we have to create the route table. Okay, so now connect NAT gate to entire private subnet, this one. Okay, so you need one route table. Why we need to this many route tables? If you get a doubt also, here it is one route table, here it is one route table. So instead of creating new one, we'll take one default route table. Okay, let's check once. Where is that? Route tables. Yes. So how many defaults are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 default is there. Go to the route table. This is the route table. All these things we need to take. Our VPC. Where is our VPC? This one, right? See, guys, whenever I started to creating this our VPC, automatically another default VPC got created. See this? Can you see here? Along with my VPC, another default got created. Default in the sense, yes, these no is there na, whatever it is there I have created. This SS is there na, this is default VPC. This we can utilize, right? Actions. Better we need to select this one only. Okay, we will select this. After that, routes. Actions. Okay, so which one we have to select?
Second one, sir. DB
one,
subnet.
right? Yes. Save and associate. This one we have to change the name, guys, because it will be confusion again. I'll see NAT RT route table. Save. Okay. So associate already completed. So let me check again. If you go through this, XSplit is a subnet. Done, right? It is completely done. Next, so route tables, will go route tables again. So here select NAT, already selected. Okay, select and subnet associate. Here also is there, no? Yeah, here also is there, here also is there. Subnet associate. Okay, next edit subnet associates. Here itself you see this. Okay, after that we have selected correct one only, right?
Yes, sir. You have already attached, sir. You have already associated.
Yes, correct. No, I'm just checking the steps actually, because already earlier we have done some mistakes actually. That is the reason it doesn't allow earlier. So that's why I'm cross checking. So this infra, while we are creating infra, whatever we are doing currently, it will take more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So one by one, they will give one by one a task, guys. In infra, in real time scenarios, you cannot create all these VPC structure in one day. Okay, it will bifurcate, and it will make some user stories. VPC one day, subnet one day, route table one day, and all 3 or 4 completely VPC structure will not be given to you. So if we want to they will make some user stories. So in that user stories, our company is there. I will show you real time. In real time, it is also useful for you.
Yes, sir.
Zero. See guys, this is our company one. No, yeah, see my email ID is there, our company email ID. So this backlogs like this user stories will be there. All user stories they will create like this. So this is one project actually. See, Sprint Byte Bazaar user stories. This is one project. Under this project, lot of user stories will be there. Okay, this is one user story. I mean, this is one project. Under this project, there are a lot of user stories. Okay, keep it light. This is one project. Under this, lot of user stories. So like this, we have to create. They will create one user story. For example, this I will delete this also, no problem. I will not create this. Just simply I will show. VPC. This is one user story. Will be assigned to some person. Okay, like this. In our company, all the user stories are assigned to some people. See, all the people are there, or 21 persons are there. So everybody will be there. So for example, if I create one user story, for example, this is one user story. If I want to assign to somebody, so Bharat Kumar Reddy got already taken this. So like this, so your name will be display. So like for example, Sham, Reshwant, anybody. So they will keep like this. So this VPC, if you create one VPC, you can take one sprint. Maybe if it is sprint in the sense days, maybe it is a 1 week sprint, maybe if it is 2 week sprint, that depends upon project manager and project. So like that, they will create user stories. This system, entire system is not created, will not be created in one day. So it will take lot of time. Okay, and also there are a lot of permissions involved in this. So that is the reason you don't worry about this. Once if you step into this company, so you will get small user stories only. Got it? Don't worry about that.
Yes,
So
sir.
now it's got created. That's it. So let me cross check once again. I will go to EC2. Where is this? Now I'm trying to connect with this DB, guys, nothing else. But, connect instance. It is not showing connect actually. Why? SSH. Even if it doesn't allow, in the sense it doesn't allow anything. So that is the main reason, guys. I think NAT is already created, but we did not attach this. One side only we have attached, right, guys? One side only we have attached. No, we are not attached to NAT to route table. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, that is the reason we are not able to. Yeah, this is what done. This is done. So now we have to attach NAT to route table. Again, I have to go routes. Where is the routes? Subnets. Routes. Route table. Which one related to this one? I've changed names, right?
Yes, sir.
Which one? This one, my VPC. I've already changed name, right, for this?
Yes, sir. But it is not reflected and it is not associated also.
It is not also. Okay, let me check again. Open this. Sorry. Tables. Subnet associate. Unit subnet. Array. DB. We have to connect with this save associate. Yeah. Now it is showing. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now what we have to do is we have to go routes. Then after we have to edit routes and we have to add routes. Then here we have to select what is that NAT gateway.
NAT
And
gateway.
here we have to allow the public. Why we have to allow the public? For NAT also we need internet, right? Who will provide this internet? AWS will take care of this. Don't worry about this, but you have to open this public. But public in the sense it is not for the public, it is for AWS. AWS will take care of this. Okay, so NAT, my NAT, save. Now it is got attached. Let's see again. Go back to the. That is the reason. This is big topic, guys. Here I am trying to collide everything in one day. It's not correct actually. So we have to do step by step. It will take lot of time for the AWS. Lot of services are there. You know, AWS how many services? Hundreds of services are there. Okay. I will try again. Public IP address is disabled. What is this? No public IP address, easy to connect endpoint. Okay. Instant is not public. No, yes, it is not public. Definitely it is not public. If it is public, what is the use? This is for me only, right? That is the reason I have created. If I keep public, everyone can access, right? So actually guys, one step is not allowing actually. So whatever PEM key is there, right? That PEM key we have to keep in this here. We have to keep here. That is not allowing. That is the reason we could not able to connect. Open tab. I will try again, guys. Once more. Web server. It is not allowing. Why? Earlier it was to be. Web server. DB, Bastion, this one. Public, I don't want to go public. Why should I need public? I don't need public, right? Our intention is that only. Again, connect. I'll try here again. It doesn't connect because key is not allowed. It is not there inside here. That is the reason I should not keep one key for all that. You do one thing, guys. I hope you got concept right.
Yes, sir.
So I'll do one thing. I will try my side first. Okay. So once it
Yes, sir.
fine, everything going good. So actually we got succeeded for this. So this NAT is actually service, no problem. It is already, we have everything set up. Connection got, every setup is done. All the setup is done. Only database should be accessed. This is not done. Tomorrow we'll see this database access and also web server access. Okay. So this gem server already we got created, right? And also connected. The same way we have to connect with this database and also to this web server. Okay. So after creating this database, what we will do, what is the purpose of this, everything I'll show. And for this also, after connecting with this website, I will show some changes. Okay, output changes by using public IP. How can we access the website? For example, this website is there. Okay, so this website is there, .google.com, right? So this is one website. Okay, here it is getting like this. The same way, so we will give our IP, because domain not yet done. Domain in the sense, this is actually domain name. This domain mapping is not done. Initially IP address should be work. By using public IP, if you use this IP, like for example 173.10.2125.223, this IP will be there. So for example, this is the IP address. Where is that? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. For example, I'll take directly this only. See, this public IP is there now. This IP should be work like this. So this IP should work. Already, while I am creating this, see guys, can you see? This IP is working, because I have already done this, but I don't want to show this today. So this I want to keep for tomorrow. So if there, I will also do the changes. Instead of keeping Lokesh, I will also change as Sham and okay, Yashwant or something other. So then I will show it tomorrow, other class. And this I hope you got this right.